going to teach you all how to make this paper frog puppet which can close its mouth and open too by pulling this piece of paper. Let's start. And the things you need are any type of scissors, bookmarkers, glue, cardboard, marker or pencil. Let's start. And a sheet of paper. Let's start. First I have drawn a square of 15 centimeter and now I'll cut it. If you don't want to cut an A4 sheet, you can even use the origami ready-made paper, which is already cut into pieces. Now, I have drawn a rectangle which is 6 into 15 centimeter and I'll cut this too. Now I will take the square paper and fold it into half. Now unfold, turn the paper and again fold it into half. You will get lines like this, which is in flesh shape. Now we will fold all the corners like this into triangles. Now I'll turn the paper and I'll fold only the two corners like this into triangles. Now I'll turn the paper. You will get a shape like this. Now we will fold the paper into half like this and repeat the same thing to other side. Now we will fold this triangle in half. Now we'll turn the paper and you will get two small squares. Now we put our thumb inside and pull it out and press it. We'll do it to the other side too. Now we'll again turn the paper, and now we'll take this rectangular piece of paper and fold it equally into half and half again. Now we will take this paper and open. Now we will remove this triangle and fold it again. And now we will take this long rectangular piece of paper and put a little glue in front, and now we will unfold and put it inside this gap. And remove the extra glue. Now we'll fold it again. After folding it again, I have taken a piece of cardboard and I have drew the eyes of the frog. Now I'll cut it. If you don't have cardboard, you can use even A4 sheet or any sheet too. Now I will draw the eyeball using marker or pencil. And now we will stick this eyes using glue. We will stick it to the triangle which is above like this. And do the same thing to the other eye. Now we will take the bookmarker and choose any color for the tongue and stick it. Inside its mouth. And now you can play with your frog puppet. But make sure you play after the glue dries. If you play before the glue dries, the frog might break. And the next, now the frog puppet has got dried. If you pull this rectangle down and up, the frog will start moving its mouth. Even it puts its tongue out and starts chewing. See, all the three puppets move the same. You can use these puppets to play or create a toy story. You can use different colors of papers too. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon.